In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of DNA repair and how a simple fruit like kiwi can play a crucial role in this intricate process. Understanding the importance of maintaining healthy DNA is not only vital for our overall well-being, but also for the prevention of various diseases. So, let's explore how can potentially benefit our DNA repair mechanisms and ultimately our genetic health. Significance of maintaining healthy DNA for overall well-being. Our DNA is like the blueprint of our existence, containing all the instructions necessary for our cells to function properly. However, our DNA is constantly under attack from various sources such as UV radiation, toxins, and even normal metabolic processes within our bodies. If these damages are not repaired efficiently, they can lead to mutations and ultimately diseases like cancer. Therefore, ensuring that our DNA is in top-notch condition is crucial for our overall well-being and longevity. DNA is the fundamental building block of life, containing the genetic instructions that determine our physical characteristics and overall health. Maintaining the integrity of our DNA is crucial for cellular health and proper functioning of our body. DNA repair mechanisms play a vital role in fixing any damage or mutations that may occur in our genetic material, ensuring the stability and functionality of our cells. Kiwi, a delicious and nutrient-dense fruit, has been gaining attention for its potential role in promoting DNA repair and its anti-aging effects. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kiwi provides a powerful combination of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Studies have shown that kiwi contains high levels of vitamin C, which is known to stimulate the repair of damaged DNA and protect against oxidative stress. Additionally, kiwi is rich in other antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body, further supporting DNA repair processes. Consuming 1 or 3 kiwis per day can have significant benefits on overall health. Eating just 1 kiwi a day can provide a boost of essential nutrients and antioxidants, supporting DNA repair and helping to maintain cellular health. On the other hand, consuming 3 kiwis daily may enhance the anti-aging effects and further strengthen the body's defense mechanisms against oxidative damage. However, it is important to note that while kiwi offers numerous health benefits, consuming excessive amounts may lead to unwanted consequences such as digestive issues due to its high fiber content. It is recommended to add kiwi as part of a balanced diet to reap its full benefits without overloading the body. Understanding DNA repair. DNA repair is a complex and essential process that plays a critical role in maintaining the integrity of our genetic material. Our DNA is constantly under threat from various sources such as environmental factors, UV radiation, and internal cellular processes, leading to potential damage and mutations. The mechanisms involved in DNA repair are designed to identify and correct these errors, ensuring the stability and functionality of our genetic code. There are several pathways through which DNA repair occurs, each targeting specific types of damage. For example, base excision repair, BARE, corrects small lesions in individual bases, while nucleotide excision repair, NER, removes larger DNA segments damaged by UV radiation or chemicals. Additionally, mismatch repair, MR, fixes errors that occur during DNA replication, ensuring accurate genetic information is passed on to daughter cells. When DNA damage is left unrepaired, it can have detrimental effects on cellular function and overall health. Accumulated mutations in the DNA can disrupt normal cellular processes, leading to cell death, senescence, or uncontrolled growth, which may contribute to the development of diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and autoimmune conditions. Efficient DNA repair mechanisms are crucial in preventing diseases and maintaining optimal health. By promptly identifying and repairing DNA damage, cells can prevent the propagation of mutations and maintain genomic stability. Defects in DNA repair pathways have been linked to various genetic disorders and an increased risk of cancer, underscoring the importance of robust DNA repair mechanisms in safeguarding our genetic integrity and overall well-being. Role of kiwi in DNA repair. Kiwi fruit, with its vibrant green flesh and tangy sweet flavor, is not only a delicious treat, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that support DNA repair processes and promote anti-aging properties. Rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kiwi plays a significant role in maintaining cellular health and protecting our genetic material. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit that contains high levels of vitamin C, an essential nutrient known for its role in promoting DNA repair. Vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, scavenging free radicals and reducing oxidative stress that can lead to DNA damage. By supporting the repair of damaged DNA, vitamin C in kiwi helps maintain the integrity of our genetic material and ensures proper cellular function. Studies have shown that the nutrients in kiwi, such as vitamin E, folate, and polyphenols, contribute to DNA repair mechanisms and help prevent mutations that can lead to diseases. Folate, for instance, is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, while polyphenols exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect against DNA damage. The antioxidant properties of kiwi play a vital role in combating DNA damage caused by environmental factors and oxidative stress. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, the antioxidants in kiwi help prevent the accumulation of mutations in the DNA and support overall cellular health. Incorporating kiwi into your diet can provide a natural boost to your body's DNA repair mechanisms and contribute to anti-aging effects. Whether enjoyed on its own, added to smoothies, or mixed into fruit salads, kiwi offers a delicious way to support your cellular health and promote longevity. Effects of kiwi on anti-aging and DNA repair. Kiwi fruit is not just a tasty tropical treat, it also offers remarkable benefits for anti-aging and DNA repair at a cellular level. The unique combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in kiwi plays a crucial role in supporting these processes and promoting overall health and longevity. Antioxidants are key players in the fight against aging, as they help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and accelerate the aging process. Kiwi is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which work together to combat oxidative stress and protect against DNA damage. By reducing the impact of free radicals on our cells, these antioxidants in kiwi can help slow down the aging process and promote youthful, radiant skin. In addition to its antioxidant properties, kiwi is packed with nutrients that support DNA repair mechanisms and contribute to overall cellular health. Vitamin C, in particular, is essential for DNA repair and synthesis, helping to maintain the integrity of our genetic material and prevent mutations. The combination of vitamin C, vitamin E, and other nutrients in kiwi provides a powerful boost to our body's ability to repair damaged DNA and promote optimal cellular function. While kiwi stands out for its anti-aging and DNA repair benefits, there are other foods that offer similar advantages. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are also rich in antioxidants and nutrients that support anti-aging and DNA repair processes. Incorporating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods like kiwi, berries, and leafy greens into your diet can help enhance your body's natural defenses against aging and promote long-term health and vitality. Impact of eating 1 kiwi per day. Incorporating just 1 kiwi into your daily diet can have a significant impact on your body's overall health and DNA repair mechanisms. This small but mighty fruit is packed with essential nutrients that support DNA repair, promote anti-aging effects, and contribute to optimal well-being. Eating 1 kiwi per day provides a nutritional boost that can benefit DNA repair and anti-aging processes. Kiwi is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in repairing damaged DNA and protecting against oxidative stress. Additionally, kiwi contains vitamin E, folate, and polyphenols, all of which contribute to maintaining cellular health and supporting DNA integrity. By consuming 1 kiwi daily, you can enhance your body's ability to repair DNA damage and combat the effects of aging. While kiwi offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to be mindful of potential side effects or risks associated with consuming this fruit in moderation. Some individuals may be allergic to kiwi, experiencing symptoms such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Additionally, kiwi is high in fiber, which can cause digestive issues such as bloating or diarrhea if consumed in excess. It is important to listen to your body and adjust your kiwi intake accordingly to avoid any adverse reactions. To add kiwi into a balanced diet for optimal results, consider adding slices of kiwi to your morning yogurt or oatmeal, blending it into smoothies, or enjoying it as a refreshing snack on its own. By including one kiwi in your daily meal plan, you can harness the nutritional benefits of this fruit and support your body's DNA repair mechanisms and overall health. Impact of eating 3 kiwis per day. Consuming 3 kiwis per day can have both positive and negative effects on the body's health and DNA repair processes. While kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit with numerous benefits, it is important to consider the potential consequences of consuming higher quantities of this fruit on a daily basis. Eating 3 kiwis per day can provide an increased dose of essential nutrients that support DNA repair and anti-aging effects compared to consuming just 1 kiwi daily. With higher levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, and polyphenols, 3 kiwis can offer a more significant boost to cellular health and DNA integrity. The increased intake of antioxidants and nutrients may enhance the body's ability to repair DNA damage and combat oxidative stress. However, consuming 3 kiwis daily may also pose risks or adverse effects that should be taken into consideration. Kiwi is high in fiber, and consuming large amounts of fiber-rich foods can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. Additionally, some individuals may be allergic to kiwi, experiencing symptoms like itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. It is essential to be mindful of these potential risks and listen to your body's response when increasing kiwi consumption. To promote overall well-being, it is recommended to practice moderation and balance in kiwi consumption. While 3 kiwis per day may offer additional benefits for DNA repair and cellular health, it is important to consider individual tolerance levels and adjust intake accordingly. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, including kiwi in moderation, can help support optimal health and ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake for overall well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, DNA and DNA repair mechanisms play a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and overall well-being. Ensuring the integrity of our genetic material is essential for proper cellular function and disease prevention. Kiwi fruit emerges as a powerful ally in supporting DNA repair processes and promoting anti-aging effects, thanks to its rich array of nutrients and antioxidants. Kiwi's high content of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, and polyphenols provides a potent combination of nutrients that support DNA repair and combat oxidative stress. By incorporating kiwi into a balanced diet, individuals can enhance their body's ability to repair DNA damage, protect against free radicals, and promote optimal cellular health. Consuming 1 kiwi per day can offer significant benefits for DNA repair and anti-aging, while 3 kiwis per day may provide an even greater nutritional boost. However, it is crucial to be mindful of potential risks associated with excessive kiwi consumption, such as digestive issues or allergic reactions. Moderation and balance are key when incorporating kiwi into your daily meal plan. As viewers, it is important to make informed choices about kiwi consumption and overall wellness. By understanding the impact of kiwi on DNA repair, anti-aging, and cellular health, individuals can make conscious decisions to support their well-being. Whether enjoying 1 or 3 kiwis per day, incorporating this nutrient-dense fruit into a varied and balanced diet can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and promote longevity. Remember to listen to your body's needs and adjust your kiwi intake accordingly for optimal results.